Hey everyone, Mike here, and today I wanted to share something with you that I got in the mail. And obviously, you can see I already opened it. And when I opened it, I kind of peeked in there and was like, "Oh, it's my crypto.com card." And I got pretty excited, and I was getting ready to take it out and check it out. And my roommate was like, "Hey, why don't you do an unboxing, record it, and share it with everybody?" So I'm like, "Okay, that's cool." So here I am to do that. And if you don't know what the crypto.com card is, they have on the website, it's the crypto.com exchange, and their native token is the Crow coin, CRO. And they've got a lot of different coins that you can't get on some of the other exchange, including Coinbase. So check them out. I have a link below. So you can get this card. It'll give you cash back. Go to crypto.com and then /card, and you can check that out. But I'll put a link in there so you can check it out. So before I open this, let's just see what's going on with the markets. So let's go here. Sharing that with you guys. Okay, so I'm here on CoinGecko.com, and let's take a quick look here. All right, and everyone probably already knows that there's been a pretty good rally in the last week. We got Bitcoin over here over 45. There's been, I think it might have hit over at 46. I haven't been watching it super close, but I know it's been bouncing up and down. I think there's resistance of 46, 48,000. We want to see that go over. Ethereum, EIP 1559 came out, and ETH is getting burned, gas fees are reduced, and it's been rallying, and it's been over $3,000 for a few days now. So definitely got some stakes in both of these. 7-day average over 15% with Bitcoin, 20% with Ethereum, Binance coins over 12%, Cardano, ADA, I definitely have some stake in that, over 20%, XRP 12%. So Doge is, I think it went up to 27 cents or so. It's over 24% in the last 7-day average. Polkadot, Uniswap, all these different coins, they're really popping. Solana, let's see, Matic over almost 10% here. VeChain up 22%. I know it was down, I think down 6 cents or something like that. Definitely got some VeChain, and yeah, it's definitely a good time to have some of these altcoins, and definitely Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'm definitely holding on to my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and my Cardano that I have. So take profits where you need to, but definitely in the next 5 years, I'm looking at these popping as well as a lot of these other ones. But I'm not going to go into all the different altcoins in this video. I just want to show you the crypto.com card. So without further ado, let's see. Okay. I can't do all this fancy card flipping like Andre Jick does, because he's magic. So let's open this up and see what's up. All right. Glad my roommate mentioned that to me. I did not take the card out. I did rip this open, and I was getting ready to, I was so close. I was so close. So, and don't forget, this is just entertainment, not financial advice. I'm just letting you know what kind of coins that I have, and do your own research and figure out what you want to do and what you want to invest in. I'm also dabbling in stocks. I'm on many of the exchanges too. So we can talk about that in another video. So let me pull this out here. All right. Okay, it is my pleasure to present you with crypto.com Visa card, and it's the co-founder of and CEO of crypto.com. Cool. So it comes with a little interesting deal here. And I guess what's going on here? Oh, okay. There is, it says Visa Debit, and basically what you have to do is put the funds on, I'll go to crypto.com if you don't have an account. I'll put the funds on there that you can use and you get cash back for that. So yeah, okay, cool. I saw that when I got this card, it had different colors and different levels, and it's actually metal. So that's cool. So I have like the, actually I can go to here. There's different color cards. This is ruby steel, and there's different benefits. They have like 5 different ones, and you have to basically stake the CRO coin to get the different ones, and you get more benefits, like get free Spotify and different Airbnb stuff, and just you have to check it out. There's a lot of different stuff. Netflix, depending on the level, and then that level just increases with how much you stake Crow. So that's how you get this. It's a cool card, and yeah, that's it. Here it is. Like I said, keep your Bitcoin, keep your Ethereum, keep your ADA, because I have a feeling they're gonna exponentially grow in the next 5 to 10 years. Not financial advice, again, entertainment. Hope you enjoyed that. That's all steel. You can get your own too. Thanks for watching. And oh, real quick, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and hit the notification bell, so when I put out new information, new content, you get that stuff too. So, and definitely give this a thumbs up, because I'm pretty sure this video is awesome. And yeah, take care. Bye.